This is the final test we taking. Life will try and test his patience. You can find me ducking death like this is final destination. When I finally check my fading from this violent escapade, and I'ma stay inside the mind of every guy that never made it. Every time that I got faded, every time that you related, well, it made it that much harder for the time that I'm cremated. It's my time cause I've evaded every time when they were aiming, every spy and every agent, every guy in every matrix. Right when they were chasing, it was tires to the pavement with the iron in my waist and with no type of hesitation. This is a message to the masses that the tyrant that we facing will try and cheat our type out of a higher education. We gotta band together with a tighter dedication, cause divided we gon' fall in these trial tribulations. One by one do we exiled by the nation. We're the last of a dying breed who died for integration. And until then, I'm just an offender of flow that's stuck with the pen in my dome. They say they know better rappers, trust I'm the kid that they know. With such a definitive flow that's touching the sensitive note. But this is something that you fuckers ain't witnessed before. But this is nothing as I'm pumping your vision with holes, stuck in the venomous mode, trudging the rigorous road. Yeah, I'm hot, but better luck getting richer with dope. Fuck am I getting with flow and nothing I'm spitting is soul. But I came too much of a distance to fold and kept it real. I ain't pushing your shit just to blow. I ain't a bitch, and as much as you wish that I'd hoe, I ain't selling all that shit that you whispered to Hove. That's why he quit. Shit, Jigga just sick of the show. It ain't supposed to sound like whip dealership when you flow. Fully equipped with a dip for the clip and the toast. That's why I flipped every script that you villains have wrote. And fuck rap, getting rich flipping pills in your throat. Then feel bad spending every million I've blown. Of food money with the fiends with the children at home. Diseases is killing my folks and these is the feelings we know. And we don't got the means to keep sealing the boat. Water rushing in from my feet to the ceiling, it's soaked. It's no hope, all we teaching our children is dope. It's no hope, the police just keep filling their quotes.